in this tutorial we will make this section, and yeah, we'll try to complete this page in this tutorial. So let's get started. So now we have to add a section here. So let's copy the background color. So the background color will be here. So yeah, let's see the padding. You can see the top and bottom will be 35 and left at 15. So to add the padding, you have to click here and choose padding. So let's see the font size. It's 50 pixel. So we have to add one row and add a paragraph. It will be 50 pixel, bold and black. So let's see the line height. It's 120. And let's see the font size on mobile. It's 27 pixel. So let's go to the mobile view and make it 27. So let's add this text. So we can see here 20 pixel margin top, and this is 20 pixels. So let's duplicate this paragraph and add it here. The margin top will be 20, and we have to remove this max width. And it's 16 pixel on mobile. So let's make it 16. By the way, we will make the mobile responsive later. So first we are making the desktop version first. Then once the page is finished on desktop, then we'll make it tablet and mobile responsive. So now let's add a container. We can add another row here. So it will be 2 column. So the margin top will be 40 pixel. And let's see the gap. It's 25 pixel. So the gap will be here, spacing. And let's save this video first. We can duplicate this video. So let's copy this text. Yeah, the video is uploaded, so just select the video, and it's already autoplay and loop. So yeah, let's duplicate this container. We can see a gap or blank space here. I think it's a mistake. So let's copy this text, and the font size is 20 pixel. We can duplicate this text, and we have to bring it inside this container. Let's make it left align. The margin top will be 15 pixel. it's finished. So now you have to add this drop down. So let's add this drop down, so you can see the margin top is 40 pixel. To add the drop down, we have to add a FAQ. So just add it here, and the margin top will be 40 pixel. Let's copy this text and paste it here, and we have to add this as a paragraph here and make it left align, and it's bold. So now let's do the design part. So you can see this font size is 16 pixels. So just select the FAQ and make it it's already 16 pixels. Just make it black, the font color, and you can see the padding top and bottom is 12 pixel. So just header padding is left, right 10 pixel, and top and bottom will be 12 pixel. And on this paragraph it's same. So let's see the line height. So 120. There is not any option to add the line height for this heading. So let's go to this text. It's 16 pixel and the line height is 140. Make it black. And now let's set the background color. So the header background color will be white, and then the background color will be this one. Also you have to add a border. So you can see the border is 2 pixel for the border width, and this is the border color, and the border radius is 5 pixel. So let's add the header padding first, and the border radius will be 5 pixel. Now we have to add this border here. It will be 5 pixel also, and we have to remove the border radius from top. And once it's active, this FAQ is active. Yeah, it's fixed now. Just click on active. Yeah, now we have to make the header border radius 0 on bottom. Let's see how it looks. The border radius is not working once it's active. So let's see. Just click on active, and remove the border radius from bottom. Sorry, it will be 5. Just select, click here. We have to unlink the border radius first, then remove the border radius from bottom. And also we have to make the border bottom 0. So now let's see. Yeah, I think now it looks perfect. Yeah, it looks perfect now. We can see you have to duplicate this row. So we will make this row mobile responsive first, then we will duplicate this row. So let's go to the tablet view, and it looks good. We have to fix the mobile view. So let's see the font size 27 and this one is 18. We have to make the row gap 35 here. So just select the row and then we have to click here, so it will apply on mobile only. So just make it 35 now. And we have to remove the margin bottom on the video. Perfect on mobile. So now we can duplicate this row. Just select the row and click here, and we can duplicate another row. So now for this row we have to take this container here and take the video here on the left side. So now let's change the text. So let's make this part underline. So it's called journal and science. So let's see. So just select this text and click here, so it will be underlined. So let's do on here. Here by the way we can use a keyboard shortcut, just command and U, so it will be underlined. So let's it's image. So let's copy the image address and we have to remove the video. So let's add an image here, paste the image URL, make it cover, and let's see the border radius. It's 5 pixels. So now we can remove this video. Now let's duplicate this image and bring it here and remove the video. So let's copy the image address and change this image. So now this section is finished, so we have to make it like this. Yeah, this section is finished. So now let's make this section. So now we have to add another section and add a padding at 15 and top and bottom will be 35. can see it's 35 pixels. So let's add one column, and yeah, it's 35 pixels. So we can just duplicate this text, and we have to make it a center align. That's it. So now let's copy this paragraph, and it's 17 pixels. So let's duplicate this text, and make it 17 pixel. And we have to make the margin top 17 pixel. Also we have to make margin top 30 here. Now it's done. So let's see the line height of this paragraph. It's 30. Yeah, it's good. So let's add this image. It's 650, and margin top 27, bottom 28, and there is not any border radius. So let's add an image. It will be 650. Just paste the image URL here, and the margin top and bottom will be 28. Let's add this heading. It's 50 pixel. Yeah, so we can duplicate this heading, though it's a paragraph. Yeah, let's see the line height. It's 120. Yeah, perfect. So let's copy this text. It will be 20 pixel, and margin top 20. You can duplicate this text. It will be center, and remove the max width. Margin top will be 20 pixel. So now let's make this part. So we have to add another container. The margin top will be 40 pixel, and we can see the width is 703 pixel. So let's make it 700 pixel. The row gap is 10 pixels. So let's add an image and add another box, and the first box will be fixed width. Let's add this image. It's 25, and row gap will be 20 pixel. Let's copy this paragraph. It's 18 pixel. The line height is 130. And now let's select the container and go to the tablet view. Now we have to make the orientation horizontal. It will be horizontal on mobile also. Yeah, and It's 18 pixel. So it's 14 pixel. Let's see, it's 10 pixel on desktop. You have to add a margin on this paragraph, margin top 2 pixel. And yeah, now it looks perfect, and mobile version is also looks good. Let's add margin bottom on this container. So we have to select, we have to click here first, so it will be only on mobile, and then add 4 pixel margin bottom. So now let's duplicate this container, and the margin top will be 10 pixel. It should be applied on all devices. Now go to the mobile and click here, and the margin bottom will be 4. Instead of 4 pixel margin bottom, we can make it 14 pixel. So now let's duplicate this container. So let's change the text. Let's duplicate this container again, and now it's finished. Yeah, it looks same as on desktop, I mean mobile. Yeah, it's finished. So let's add this image. It's, we can see the image with this 799 pixel. So let's duplicate this image and make it 800 width, and margin top and bottom is 30 pixel. So now we have to add this button. So I think it's a mistake. Yeah, let's duplicate this button. No, it's not looking like this one. So we can we have to we can see here is a blank space. Not sure where it's here. We can see also the blank space here. Yeah, so now let's add the box shadow. Just copy the color, and you can see wave set will be 1 pixel, blur 4 pixel, and speed 1 pixel. So let's add add shadow just by clicking here, and then click on this settings icon, and let's make it 90, and the distance will be 1, size will be 1, and the blur will be 4 pixel, and the color code will be here. We have to add a hash first, then just paste the color code. It's perfect. So now let's add a button redirect URL. So we have to click on this interaction, and then on click, just click on this plus icon and choose go to URL. So let's add a hash and click on save. So now let's copy this text. We can see they used a new section here. Yeah, we can use a new section here. So let's add another section. Padding left right will be 15, and top for 35, and bottom will be 40 pixel. And the font size of this text is 35. So let's duplicate this text and add here. We have to add we have to choose a row first, and let's remove the margin top, and it's an image. Yeah, so just copy the image address, and it's 400 pixel, and the margin top will be 10 pixel. Just pasted the URL here, and let's copy this paragraph. It's 20 pixel. The margin top is 20 also. So let's duplicate this paragraph, and it will be center aligned. Top 20, and yeah, let's add line break. Perfect. So now let's add this image. It's 800 pixel. Let's add 30 pixel margin top. Yeah, it looks perfect. So let's add this text, and it's almost 40 pixels. So let's add another text and remove padding. It will be 39, bold and black, and the font family will be Poppins. Let's see the line height. It's 130. Just select the font family Poppins. It will be 130. Margin top and bottom will be 27 and 20. Now we have to add the button. So just duplicate this button. Before duplicate this button, let's see the mobile view. It's 24 pixel. Yeah, now we can duplicate this button. Now you have to make the footer. So let's make the footer. So let's see the background color. Let's add a new section and paste the background color code here. And padding will be 15 and 20. We have to add one row with 3 columns. So let's see the row gap. It's 20 pixels. So add the row gap here. Now let's copy this image address and let's see the image width. It's 80 pixels. So add an image. Let's add a container, and inside this container add an image. The image width will be 80 pixels. Now let's add this text first. It's 18 pixels. It will be white. Margin top is 15. Line height on 30. And yeah, it's done. So let's add this. It's a link, so we can add a link. So just add the link text here, and the font size is 18 pixels, and we have to remove the margin top and padding also. So let's see the color code. It's here. So this is the color code. It will be 80 pixels. Let's add the hover color. Just click on hover, add hover, and now we have to add the color code here. Let's see, the color code is not working, so let's add the color code again. Here it's a Funnelish bug, I think. So let's reload the page. Let's see now. It's still maybe it's a Funnelish bug. So let's add a link. So it should be this email. So it will be go to URL and paste to the email here. We can see it's outside of the container, so let's move it inside the container. So now just select the container and duplicate and bring it on here. So now let's replace the images. And text. So now you can remove the link. Let's copy the color code and paste here. Yeah, this part is finished. Now we have to add this part. Yeah, we can see a border. Let's add another section, and it will be one row, one column. Let's add the padding first. So just select the section and add the padding. The background color will be this one, and let's see the color code. I mean border color. It's white and it will be 1 pixel. Let's make it top and bottom, and just remove the left and right border. I can see it's same as like this. But we have to add a container here and make it center align and remove the margin top. Now we have to add another 2 box, and the row gap will be 20 pixel. Now let's add the images. It's 200 pixel. Now duplicate and bring it here. So now let's replace these images. This one is 125 pixel width, and this one is 150. So now this section is finished. The border is not working, so let's see why. Yeah, we have to make it white color. Now it should work. It's working now. So now let's add this section. Top and bottom padding is 35 pixels. So let's add another section. The background color will be this one, and padding left right 15 and top bottom 35. We can add a row with 2 columns. So now let's add links. So we can duplicate this link and make it left align. Let's see the font size. It's 15 pixel and the gap will be 15 pixel also. Just add the margin top 15 pixel. It's white on mobile, but it's let's refresh the page. Yeah, now it's white color, so let's make it white. Yeah, now let's change the text and duplicate. This part is finished. I can see the border bottom is not working. Now it looks perfect. Let's add this text. We can duplicate this link. It's 18 pixel and make it right align. No. It should be white color, and we have to add hover color here. This is the hover color, so let's see if we can add the hover color. Maybe it will not work, not sure why. It's so just add it as it like here. So just copy this image. It's 200 pixel also, and we can see the width is 239. So let's we have to make it one column and add a container the margin and add on another box, and it will be like 240 pixel. Just make it a fixed width. So now let's add it here. Yeah, now let's add an image, and it will be 200 pixel. And the margin top will be 20 pixel. So now let's bring this link on this container. Now it's done. Now we have to add this part. So it's a black background color, so let's add in another section and add the color code. Let's add a padding. It should be 40 pixel. And we can see it's a slider here on mobile. So let's add one row, and let's add a carousel. And we have to add 4 slide and make it slides per view, 4 on desktop, and it will be 1 on mobile. And we have to remove pagination and arrows. So now let's add the row gap. It's 48 pixels, so we have to select the carousel and we have to add 48 pixel here. So now just we have to remove the margin top here, then add a container, and inside this container we have to add this part. So it's an SVG icon. So let's add an image and click on browse. Then we have to select file and upload this SVG files. And it's 24 pixel. So let's add the width. And we have to add margin bottom 16 pixel. Let's add this text. It's 12 pixel pop-ins. And it will be white, 12 pixel, bold. And let's see the line height. It's 1.2. It should be white color. And this one is 16 pixels. So let's copy this text. And we have to add 16 pixel margin top. So let's duplicate this text. Add 16 pixel margin top, and it will be 16 pixel normal regular font, and it's pop-ins also. And the line height will be 1.5, I think. So let's see. We can see the row width is 1520 pixel here. So we have to select the row and make it 1520 pixel. So let's see now. Yeah, now it looks perfect. So now we can duplicate this container and take it here. Now we have to remove the space, I mean margin top, from all containers. And then let's change the text. Now let's change the icon. So now the pages are finished. So yeah, I will make another tutorial, another video for mobile responsive, and I'll show you on the video how I will make this page mobile responsive.